Hi, Warren Lashmar of Knight Frank, Tasmania. It is with absolute pleasure I sincerely welcome you to this magnificent property at 53 Beach Road in wonderful Kingston Beach. True river frontage on the banks of the Browns River, a short paddle out to sea down to Kingston Beach. Here we have a property steeped in history, commencing 1893 with a magnificent architectural makeover on half of the home in the early 2000s. This, without a doubt, is one of Kingborough's most incredible properties that you must come and see for yourself. Three bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the level. And another 2 guest bedrooms upstairs. From the late 1800s to the early 2000s, this gorgeous home draws emotions of peace, serenity and happiness. For me, at least. What about you? Whatever you do, call me, Warren Lashmar of Knight Frank, as soon as you can.